You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you say the name of the city in Australia? Well, how do the Aussies say it? How is it said in Australia? I've seen videos where it says, I think the top ranking video on Google says Brisbane. Some people might say that, maybe in other locations, other continents. In Australia, it's definitely said as Brisbane, Bris, so you could spell it B-R-E-Z, Brisbane, so that's a schwa sound, stress on the first syllable. Brisbane, Australia. Stay tuned for more Australian slang and Australian city names. But remember, Brisbane. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.